Welcome back to another devlog for my third-person adventure game. This is not a complete devlog, just a quick video to keep you updated about my little changes. But first of all, I want to thank you for this incredible feedback. After less than 24 hours, over 250 people have watched my latest videos. Thank you so much for that. That's a great milestone for me and motivates me even more to not quit the development of this game. Okay, what happened since the last video? As you saw, both the grass and the water were not yet properly shaded, so they didn't fit the scene. The shaders themselves were lit, but the fog node was missing in the shader graph. But before I changed just one little thing, I decided to create the grass completely myself. In the first video I explained that I got the grass shader from the internet, but I feel ready to code my first working grass shader. With shader graph, visually, yeah. I also think that the new grass fits much more into the landscape. Color-wise, it fits much better and the style is more in line with what the game is aiming for. In addition, you can see here that it's not a simple snooty grass shader, no. It's a super cool interactive grass shader, woo! You can see where you're going and it's one more component that makes the game more juicy and responsive. I also adjusted the time system so that at night the butterflies fly home and get a good night's sleep and fireflies appear instead, beautifying the scene. Although the fireflies still lack the light or possibly a simple bloom effect, but I find that this is already developing in the right direction. Also, any fire now has a light component, so it's flickering in the night and gives a really cool vibe. I think with a decent sound design in the future it will be a mega cool ambience. Lastly, I focused on gathering the resources. Again, I think it's good if it's a little more responsive and you feel like you can really make a difference in the game world. So I had the idea to simply spawn a broken object when the actual object disappears. This creates the feeling that the player is changing the game world with his damage and can farm resources that way. I would still like to do the same for future raw materials like minerals, trees with a trunk or boxes, but step by step, as this is just a hobby project and we got time for this, right? If you're watching this video, I'm currently on vacation, so due to my time constraints I could only pre-produce this little video to keep you up to date. I'll try to make further progress on this game as soon as possible and present it to you. But in the meantime, I'd love it if you post suggestions in the comments about what else you'd like to see in the game. Do you have any ideas? Thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss the next episode, you can subscribe to this channel here. And yes, thanks for watching. See you next time.